welcome to my channel. It's Natural Girl T. Of course, with going on with quarantine and everything going on, now we've been having to do things on our own home, of course. So I actually purchased this wax warmer kit to do my own waxes since quarantine started. I must admit, I only did my bikini and underarms, and I did them once, and it didn't go too well. So now, what I'm going to do is actually wax my lip. I don't pay for that services to them, so I figure, oh, I got the wax kit. Instead of using my eyebrow shaver, I can just wax it and see how that works. It's gonna be my first time waxing my lips, so it's not gonna, hopefully it's not that bad. I'm gonna show you how much hair I have. Yeah, I have just one prominent one right there that's just like to poke out and be there. So one on that side, well, and a few little ones to go with it actually. And then on this side, have some there as well. I don't really have much on the top of my lip. So, and that's why I call them whiskers, because they're on the side like whiskers, you know? So while my beads are heating up, I'm going to go ahead and prep. For this, it has the pre-wax that also came with the kit. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray some on here just to prepare my skin. It says it's a treatment spray, so let's see how this works. Okay. And I actually have this little mirror that I'm going to use so that it wouldn't seem like I'm not looking at you guys. But I'm just trying to see, make sure I get all the space that needs to be done. So, a cheap little mirror I got from the 99-cent store. I had it for a long time, so it lasts a while. So, anyone that knows me know that I love a red lippy, like red lipstick. And red lipstick actually brings your lips out. Like it kind of like, it's like bam, you know? So, but yeah, if you're gonna wear red lippy, make sure you don't have whiskers or facial hair like me. And another thing about facial hair, you know, a lot of people be thinking, oh, you know, women ain't supposed to have facial hair. You growing facial hair, blah, blah, blah. We all have it. I don't expect you to grow a full beard or nothing like that, but some people do, and it's normal. So, okay, so let me see if the wax or it's all melted and stuff, or the beads rather. So it came with sticks. Have the big ones and the small ones, of course, because my left one needs a small one. But also, pardon my eyebrows. I'm actually trying to grow them in. I think they're just so thin, so I'm trying to grow them in before I shape them up. But yeah, don't judge me. Okay, so, and then I know that when you wax, you need to like um don't put too much wax, and you also want to like do it pretty firm, that way it grabs the hair from the root. So let's just stir it up a little bit. Oh, let me put some gloves on. And also guys, this is my personal wax kit. I'm the only one that uses it, so when there's leftover wax, I leave it in there, and then just pretty much turn it on the next time I'm using it. Just turn it on, let it get hot, and it melts back, because it gets hard when it's cold, obviously. So I'll just plug it back up, and then if I need more wax, I just add it to it. So I'm gonna put one glove on because I feel like I need like a naked hand, but let's see. Okay, it's looking pretty good. Kind of scared though. Is it hot? Well, you don't want to cool it too much either. So let's try this. Okay, go back. And it did say to go put the wax in the direction that the hair is growing. So it's growing down. Make this on there. And then you pull it in the opposite direction. So maybe I'll need my bare hands for this too, because let me try with a glove. I don't know. Let's see. Oh my god. Woo! Bro, look at this. Yes. Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah, this glove is giving. Let me take these gloves off. My face, my hands are clean, so whatever. And then we doing this and stuff. I think I can get another pass. So let's try this one more time. I know when you go get professional wax, they like only dip one stick once and then dump it. But again, this is personal, it's mine, so I'll just use the same stick until it gets too much for the point I can't use it anymore. Okay. Maybe I gotta take that. Yeah, let me see. Oh wow. Oh yes. See little bitty hairs on there. See little fine ones that you really can't see, and that's another thing. Like people say, oh, you know, I don't got no facial hair, blah blah blah. Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. Just look at your face in a certain angle, and you'll see them light ones. You know, that's not dark, so you really can't see them. But if you look at your face in an angle, you got hair, sis. So don't be trying to judge people when you can see the hair because you can't see yours. Just saying. It's like I need to get just a little bit closer to my lip. Let me just try to take this off though. Makes a little bit of a thing on it. Oh dang. And when I say you gotta press in, you gotta press in so that it can just grab it from the root. I think I said that already, but I think that was one of the things that I didn't do right when I was trying to do my own Brazilian, because I felt like the wax was like hanging onto my hairs and not like laying on my hairs, if that makes sense. Oh damn. Obviously that one ain't work. Oh, okay, well it looks like it probably got it. Gosh. I spent so much time on that one. Guess I missed it that time. But I'm gonna get you this time. Now comment down below. Let me know if any of y'all ever wax your whiskers. And how does it go? Like, Does it work every time? Do you have to do it multiple times? You know? How about your face? Do you also wax over here? Or you have those light hairs that you really don't see? Unless you like in a certain angle, whatever. That one actually hurt it, but oh, I got it this time. Nice. You know what? Even though the scene is starting to get light already, you can see the difference. But I'm gonna go. Well, I'm gonna do the other side, and then I'm gonna go on the top of my lip. Even though you don't see none, I know it's like light hairs there, as I said. You know, so it's gonna be hairs going places that you don't want them to be. Okay, check this out. Ooh, that one hurts already. Ooh, child. Mm. Ooh, damn. Ooh. Mm. Okay, this side hurts more than the other side. The other side was like easy. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, there's definitely hair on there. And there's hairs that you can't even see with the naked eye like that. Looks like I might miss a little bit down here. So I'm gonna do another one on this. Bro, I got hair coming out my nose. Shit. Gotta fix that too. Oh yeah, it's definitely hair. And that's from an angle. Yeah, it's definitely hair on there. I don't know if y'all be able to see it, but it's here. Mm-mm. I think I may have still missed some, you know. Let me get up here though. You see, it's starting to get lighter. So, yeah, it says. If y'all want information on the wax kit that I'm using, that I purchased, I try to look on Amazon and try to link it down below. And I know it's not just me, but when since quarantine, Amazon has been like taking all my money. Like seriously. And I'm a Prime member, so I get free delivery and stuff. I mean, how could you go wrong with ordering stuff from Amazon? The return policies are really nice. That it's like whatever. But for the most part, I don't remember having to return anything from Amazon that I had problem with. So yeah. Okay. Alright. I think I made this one too damn thin, but let's see. The other side. Mm. Oh, that one put a tear in my eye. Ooh, child. That one hurt. Ooh. I guess the after wax treatment will probably take off the rest of these. Okay, well, I'm done with waxing my mustache, y'all. Let me just do the aftercare spray. This came in a spray bottle also. I think they have this kit that doesn't come with these. I don't know if you have your own. Do the aftercare and see, or after wax care. Looks like it's taking off the rest of the wax, the remaining. Where's the camera? See that blue stuff right there? It's the wax. Definitely taking it off. Taking it all off. See? So that's good. This works like that. Looks like I got all of it, but for some reason I got like a little bump right here. I don't think my skin is allergic to it because I used it before, not on my face or anything, but we'll see. That bump was there before, but so I guess we're all done, y'all. See a close up. I'll pull it. Probably need a before and after on this one, but yeah. And I have some like pimples on my chin or whatever, but we ain't talking about my chin today. Yeah. And then I'll just let this sit for a little bit. And then before bed, when I wash my face, of course, I'll get that all off. Anyway, for my future videos, just look for hair content, natural hair content. I also do other shopping hauls and things like that. And I hope you guys choose to join me to that because, and most of my things will probably be Amazon because we're still in, well, not still in, we're not on lockdown, but I mean, it's still quarantine, still wearing out masks and stuff like that. But for the most part, I'm going to be on a journey to growing my hair out. And my number one goal though with that is healthy hair. So healthy hair is number one, but I do want to grow it out and I do want it to get a little bit thicker. You know, a lot of times they say be careful what you wish for. And yeah, I mean, I don't want it too thick to the point where I can't handle. Even though I see, you know, people on here that have beautiful thick hair, like beautiful thick hair. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I wish my hair was, you know, thick like that. But honestly, I don't know if I can handle such thick hair, but it's still beautiful, you know. So, but anyway, thank you guys for checking out my video. Again, this is Natural Girl T, and I'll definitely see you on the next one. And just remember, with all this stuff going on, you are too blessed to be stressed. Okay? See you next time. Bye.